and welcome to part 11 of my C++ tutorial. Today we're going to be covering the do-while loop. This loop is extremely similar to the while loop with a couple of main differences. So we can create this exact same program using a do-while loop if we would like. Now a do-while loop, it starts out with just the word do and then the closing and opening brackets. There's nothing else to it. And then what we do is we say while down here, and we say grade is greater than or equal to 0. And then we use a semicolon. So that's the do-while loop. Now the main difference between this is that it'll run one time no matter what, even if the value is false. So let's say we set grade equal to -50 to start with. And previously when we were to run this program, with the while loop, that wouldn't have run at all because grade would be 50. It would check whether grade was 50 and then it would just skip the loop without even prompting you to enter the grade at all. Well, with the do-while loop, even if the grade is at -50, it will prompt us to enter the grade. It'll prompt us to enter the first grade, and then we can set 100. It'll say 100 and it'll check at the end of the statement whether the grade was greater than or equal to 0. So we can say -2, and then that'll prompt us to press any key to continue. Now, one of the big benefits to this is you actually don't need to initialize a variable before the do-while loop. So unlike the previous one, because it's not checking for the variable to start with, you don't need to initialize it, so it doesn't need to have any value. So we can just have grade not equal anything, and then it'll work as normal, and we can just enter multiple grades. So extremely short video there, guys. That is the do-while loop. It's probably the least commonly used loop in C++, but it does have its uses. It's just very similar to the while loop, and we'll get into more of the loops next episode. I'm thinking next episode I want to take all of the knowledge that we've learned so far and throw it into a tutorial, quite possibly maybe a calculator, because it seems like it's a very common first step for beginners. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you next episode and where we create a calculator.